So far what we have been done, we have been created a company personal profile, right? We have been created a personal profile and optimizing a personal profile. Even I have been given my logo, but it is a personal profile. Okay, you have to give your images and background and all. So personal profile so far we have been created. For example, you are running a business or anywhere you are working, they are running a business. If they doesn't have a company profile, how to create a company profile? By using a LinkedIn personal profile. It will be similar to your Facebook, how you are creating first Facebook profile. Within a Facebook profile, you are creating a company profile, company page, right? Similarly, here also you need to create a company page. Here we have to go to work on the right hand side. Here work is there. Click on that work, and last option is that create a company page. Create a company page. Select that one. Now it is asking the your company, how big your company is it your education showcase page, or just for a medium or large business or a small business? We select a small business. Then we have to give the business name here. Okay, we have to give the business name. Okay, then here your URL will be taken. Okay, it is already someone has been taken your URL, so you can make it as a this URL will be available. Okay, so if you are sharing your company profile with anyone, this will be the URL like linkedin.com company slash beta academy 365. Okay, this will be a URL. Then you can give the your website URL. Okay, then here we have to give the company details like which sector you are, size of the company, then company type, then you can choose the profile like a logo, upload to see preview. In the sense you can choose a file, a logo for your company logo. You can select. Okay, you can give the tagline for your company like simply you can give the any tagline. Here it will appear your tagline, your logo, name of the company. Here it has been given a which category it is, your company category, as well as a tagline. Here it will be, and verify that I am the here verification you have to give. Then we have to say create page. We have to click on a create page to create a your company profile, to create a company page. Create page. Okay, here you will get a error. You will get a error because the reason is you need to have at least 30 connections to get created a company page. We'll show you the how to create once you have been get 30 connections. Intentionally I have been created this one because to show that particular error, because many of you will get an error. Okay, because of the your connections, in the sense your network is only one is there. Okay, so we need to uh, at least we need to get a 30 connections. At least we need to get a 30 connections to create a pages. So we will get a around 30 connections. First we will get some connections. Okay, then once we have been engaged with the connection, it will be take 2 to 3 days of the time. Okay, then once you have been get that one, you can create a page directly from here. Okay, you can create a page. We'll show that one how to create a page again. Okay, once you have been get a number of connections. Okay, this to show this error we have been created, but procedure will be same. After getting a connection also procedure will be same. You will be get created a page, that's all. Okay.